Uh, Thanks for your watching and welcome my new friends and the old friends. Today our topic is about the ferromanganese and metal silicon. Yes, if you are interested in this product, welcome to leave your comments and welcome uh, to talk about this product. Yes, and if you are interested in other ferroalloys, not only the ferromanganese and silicon metal, welcome to leave your message and your the the products you are interested in the comment. Yes, welcome to leave your comment. Let's talk about this. And if you have any questions in the uh, in the living stream, yes, and welcome to leave your comment. Yes. Now, uh, about the ferromanganese and the metal silicon, this topics, this product is this product, 咋说呀？First, let me introduce our company again. Maybe some other friends will be similar with it, but maybe some new friends uh, don't know that. But please allow me to spend some time to introduce ourselves. Um, I'm from the Metallurgical Materials Company. Yes, and we are Chinese ferroalloy manufacturers. And our company has established about 18, yes, about 18 years. And so we have enough experience in ferroalloys. Uh, yes, and we can supply many kinds of we can supply many kinds of products, uh, such as ferromanganese, silicon metal, ferrochrome, nitride, ferroalloys, and ferrosilicon, calcium alloy called weir, uh, and metal manganese, and many kinds of ferroalloys. So, if you are interested in ferroalloy, and if you are looking for the ferroalloys, and welcome to contact us, whatever. Hmm? Uh, by WhatsApp or email, or you can even click into our website, the www.zxferalloy.com. Yes, and to leave your message, leave your inquiry in our website. We will only wait uh, we notice your inquiry, uh, we will contact you and yes, send you the information, and the quotation. Yes. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello, Luna. Good afternoon. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. How about you? How about you? Today our topic is ferromanganese and silicon metal. This products. Are you interested in this product? And if you have any questions, please leave your question or comment in the comment area. Yes, looking for it. Looking forward to it. Thank you. Okay, and today, let's start with the ferromanganese. The ferromanganese 啥东西？我看一下。哦哦，thank you. A good news, my customer. 哇，嗯，OK, let's continue. Um, the ferromanganese is a ferroalloy composed of ferro and manganese, and the manganese element density is 7.34 uh, 34 gram per 耶，这个怎么发音？呃is 7.34 3 不 for 3 and ferromanganese is widely used in steelmaking as a dioxidizer and an alloying agent. Manganese reacts readily with oxygen to form stable manganese oxide. And 没有啊，嗯，对，okay, just uh, check the sample. Want to show you the ferromanganese sample, but I find there no the manganese there there isn't the ferromanganese samples. So please listen to me, listen to me, listen to me introduce this product. And we have the SGS and the test report of ferromanganese. If you want to check, please contact us to get it, or you can also click our website, turn to the ferromanganese pages to click the test report. Yes. And as for the ferromanganese specification, there are different specifications about the low carbon ferromanganese, medium carbon ferromanganese, and high carbon ferromanganese. Um, in these different specifications, the uh, the big difference is in the big differences are in the manganese content and carbon content. Yes. Such as the low carbon ferromanganese, uh, their carbon contents about about 1% mass. And as for the medium carbon ferromanganese, their carbon content is lower than 2%. Uh, Actually, between the one and actually their carbon content is from 1 to 2% approx. And for the high carbon ferromanganese, their carbon content is about the 7% approx. Yes, and in the ferromanganese, uh, in the ferromanganese, the carbon content, the higher carbon content. Yes, the higher carbon content, the cheaper ferromanganese price. Yes, because there more cost. There are more cost. Are more producing costs in. There are more costs in producing low carbon ferromanganese. Yes. So maybe you will find these three types. There's three types of ferromanganese. Will have very different price. 真是的。Hello, my friend Luna, 真幸运 and Tina. Thank you for your comments. Thank you. Thank you for your comments. And if you are interested in ferromanganese and metal silicon, or what specifications you are interested in, or which ferroalloys are you interested in, please leave your message or leave your inquiry in the comment area. Thank you. And let's continue to introduce the ferromanganese. The ferromanganese use about the ferromanganese uses, yes. The medium and low carbon ferromanganese. They are used in the steel industry. Ferromanganese is used as a deoxidizer and destabilizer in steel making. High quality steel is deoxidized and destabilized in smelting. Adding a suitable amount of ferromanganese to the molten steel can reduce the harmful elements and improve the quality of the steel. In the steel industry, the consumption of ferromanganese is about 3 to 5 kilogram. Ferromanganese 75. Yes, ferromanganese 75 is the uh, uh, sorry, is the type 型号。我都型号怎么说呢？is the type is one of the type of ferromanganese. The 75 means the manganese content is about 75. Yes, as for the carbon content, maybe you will to conform with the you have to conform again. Mostly it means the 对不起 high carbon or medium carbon manganese 75. And the second usage of ferromanganese is in the foundry industry. Yes, ferromanganese is used as a nucleating agent and nodulating agent for nodular cast iron. It accelerates the graphite precipitation, shortens the nodulating time, reduces the impurity in the molten steel, improve the quality of the cast iron, reduces the blockage of the smelting furnace nozzle, and effectively prolongs the service life of the smelting furnace. And ferromanganese I mean the medium and low. 不是 and ferromanganese used in other also used in other industries such as high carbon ferromanganese is used as a reducing agent in low carbon ferroalloy production. High carbon ferromanganese powder can also be used in welding materials and mineral separation. High manganese ferromanganese can be used in the electrical industry to produce the semiconductor permanganese and can be used in the chemical industry to produce manganese cotton. Um, As for the preparation method of ferromanganese, there are various preparation methods of ferromanganese, such as the blast furnace method, electric furnace smelting, and oxygen blast furnace. Smelting carbon ferromanganese used to be mainly in the blast furnace with the development of the electric powder industry. The use of electric furnace gradually increased. The first is blast furnace method. In the blast furnace, manganese oxide is directly reduced to metal by carbon, and oxygen blowing uh, can raise the furnace temperature and increase the output of ferromanganese. The second is the electric furnace smelting. Medium and low carbon ferromanganese is desiliconed and refined by 1,500 to 1,600 kV electric furnace using manganese, silicon, manganese rich ore, and lime as raw materials. Yes, and the third is oxygen blast furnace. Medium and low carbon ferromanganese can be obtained by blowing pour oxygen into molten carbon ferromanganese. Yes, we can offer yes, uh, and we can offer high carbon ferromanganese, medium carbon ferromanganese, and low carbon ferromanganese. So, if you are interested in this product, the ferromanganese will come to send your inquiry, and we will contact you as soon as possible. Only we notice the inquiry. Yes. Um, Maybe someone will interested in the market situation of pheromones. Let me check and share it with you. In the manganese, uh, in the manganese ferroalloy market, first is the price trend. The price trend. Uh, Let me check the ferromanganese market situation. Let's analyze let me share it with you about the price change. The first is about the manganese silicate. Its prices showed a V-shaped pattern in 2024, with annual average price dropping by 5% to RMB 5,900 for per ton. In 2025, prices are expected to fluctuate between RMB 5,600 to 6,800 per ton. This all the domestic price, not the exporting price. And due to oversupply and weak demand, by late May 2025, high-carbon manganese ferroalloy was priced at RMB 5,500 per ton, while slag manganese 6517 traded at RMB 5,600 to 5,800 per ton. And the second is about the manganese ore. Why there isn't the ferromanganese? Mm, mhm. South Africans semi-carbonate ore prices surged to RMB 48 prime metric ton unit in March 2025, driven by supply disruption from Australia's South 32 mine and high demand. However, prices retreated to RMB 3 30 33.6 to 34.1 for DMTU by May 2025 as alternative ores were widely adopted. And about 咋回事？Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah.嗯，我还有关了呢。嗯，没关吧？那我就继续读。没关吧？Okay, as for the supply and demand for the production, China 这是龟猛啊！怎么回事？怎么回事？ Okay, okay. Okay, uh, let's introduce the metal silicon. Metal silicon, silicon metal. The silicon metal is high purity silicon, also known as industrial silicon or crystalline silicon. Although silicon metal 441 is a non-metal, it has a metallic luster on the outside. It has a high melting point, good heat resistance, high electrical resistivity, and ultra-high oxidation resistance. It's mainly used as an additive for non-ferrous alloys and is an indispensable basic raw material for many high-tech industries. Different grades of silicon metal, such as the silicon metal 553, 441, 1101, 2202, 3303. There's different types of metal silicon. And as for the application of silicon metal for one powder, the first is industrial silicon metal powder is often used in the metallurgical casting industry as a non-ferrous alloy additive and silicon steel alloying agent, which can increase the uh, hard, hardenability of steel. Industrial silicon metal powder can also be used as a reducing agent for certain metals, such as new ceramic alloys. In the refractory and powder metallurgy industries, silicon metal 553 particles is often used in steelmaking furnaces, kilns, and furniture to improve the high temperature resistance, wear resistance, and oxidation resistance of products. The single crystal silicon produced by purification of industrial silicon can be used in high-tech production fields such as integrated circuits and electronic components. High purity silicon metal is the fourth high purity silicon metal is used in many industrial fields. It's used to produce silicon 是啥 produce silicon compounds cells for photovoltaic solar energy, and silicon wafers for electronic semiconductors. Uh, the fifth, the fifth, the fifth high quality silicon metal can also be used to improve the properties of existing aluminum. These properties include casting ability, hardness, and strength. Adding silicon metal to aluminum alloy can make the aluminum alloy strong and light. Silicon metal is increasingly used in the automotive industry. For example, as an alternative to replace heavier cast iron parts to reduce the weight of the car body. Among them, automobile engine blocks, tires, and wheel hubs are common parts that use cast aluminum and silicon materials. Yes, uh, and mhm. At the top of the silicon-based new material industry chain, silicon metal is an important raw material required for the development of industries such as aluminum alloy, organic silicon, and photovoltaics. With the rapid development of the global manufacturing industry, the downstream market's demand for silicon metal has grown steadily, which has driven the continuous expansion of the silicon metal industry, and its production capacity and output have also continued to rise. We okay. As for the silicon metal, we can supply uh, such as the 553, 541, 441, 421, and we many types. Of course, we are an enterprises specializing in the research and development, production and sales of silicon metal, whether the powder or lamp. Uh, if you are interested in this production, that's the silicon metal, welcome to contact us to get the test report or the price. Our price is relatively good. Yes. And if you want to check the detailed specification, you can also click our website to check this specification. The silicon metal, there is just for chemical composition that be tested. The silicon content, the uh, the ferro, the aluminum, and the calcium content. Yes. And as for the production process of silicon metal, it is generally produced by the carbothermic method. The raw material silicon dioxide and the reducing agent charcoal, petroleum coke, and utensil are sent into a high temperature electric furnace for smelting and the silicon dioxide and various reducing agents undergo a reduction reaction under high temperature heating to obtain silicon metal. The purity of silicon metal produced by the uh, carbon reduction is about 97% to 98% and contains more impurities. Silicon metal of this purity is mostly used in the metallurgical industry by using the latest refining technology. we can produce higher grade, ultra high purity silicon metal products with a purity of 99.7% to 99.8% to meet the needs of high-tech industries. Yes. And if you want to check uh, the silicon metal pictures, you can also click our website to turn to the silicon metal page. Yes. As for the metallurgical silicon market, let me check it. It also describes the price, introduce the price trends, supply and demand, and uh, the key drivers and the outlook. 12分钟，the first, the price trends of the metallurgical silicon. Its prices hit a low of renminbi 9,625 per ton in March 2025, but rebounded to uh, 11,400 to 13,500 per ton by Q2, supported by cost adjustments and seasonal demand recovery. High purity grades, for example, the 2202 traded at renminbi 18,000 to 18,200 per ton, reflecting strong demand from semiconductors and solar panels. As for the supply and demand, the production output is expected to stabilize at 5.73 million tons in 2025, with new capacity in Gansu and Xinjiang offsetting seasonal cuts in Yunnan. Yunnan hydropower dependence. And the demand. Polysilicon output fell 3% in 2025 due to oversupply, reducing metallurgical silicon demand by 200,000 tons. And the organosilicon and aluminum alloys demand grow steadily, driven by新能源 vehicle and construction, partially offsetting polysilicon weakness. The exports rose 10% to 60,500 tons in April 2025, but faced headwinds from U.S. anti-dumping investigation on Southeast Asian imports. As for the key drives, there introduce two aspects. First is the policy. The second is technology. The policy, strict energy consumption limits and carbon controls have forced the small producer to exit, consolidating the market, and the technology growing adoption of silicon based 这个什么 on not in EV batteries could boost high purity silicon demand post 2025. The final is the outlook. A surplus of 370,000 tons in projected for 2025, with the prices likely to fluctuate within the renminbi 11,400 to 13,500 per ton range. Producers must focus on high-value application and export diversification to mitigate risks. Yes. This this is the analysis article of the silicon metal. Okay, and in the end, let me check. If there is an inquiry about this products. Okay, there is no inquiry, no comment, no message, and and if you are interested in ferroalloys, in ferromanganese or the metal silicon, anyway, welcome to any inquiry about ferroalloys. You can, if you are interested in this product or in other ferroalloys after watching the review stream, we are also welcome to contact us. Whatever the WhatsApp or our website email. Welcome to any contact. Yes, we can we can supply the nitride alloy, calcium alloy called wear, ferrosilicon, ferrochrome, and ferromanganese, silicon manganese, silicon metal, many kinds of the ferroalloys. And you are looking for the ferroalloys, welcome to leave your message, leave your inquiry. We will contact you as soon as possible. Yes. And thank you for your watching. Thank you for your watching. Maybe we will meet at the next time. In the end, in the end, in the end, 也没啥了。Okay. Anyway, thank you for your watching. 行了吧，我看没有。 还有什么吗？ There is no inquiry, no question. I will end the living stream. Okay? Okay. Okay, bye bye. Let's see next time. 我关一下。